earth, who have made all things good and given the earth of the country, God that we have always created in great strength.
Yes, thank you.
And you'll find. Knock at the door will be open. Of St. Matthew, chapter 7, verse 7 to 11. The one who knocks will always have the door open to him. Etia, amana.
Tunaona mnakaa smart. Mmemaliza kumeza hii chai. Sasa don't take it for granted. We say thank you on their behalf.
Katika idara ya magereza kuna takriban ya wateja 64,000, 63-64 hivi. Katika idara ya probation and aftercare ambao wanashughulikia wale wafungwa wa nje, tuna takriban ya wateja karibu 61,000. Kwa hivyo hao ni watu wengi sana. Katika hii idara ya magereza ambayo ilianzishwa mwaka wa 1911, that is 1911, tumekaa miaka hiyo yote bila vitanda kwa wanaume. Na hiyo ni jambo ambalo ni la kuhuzunisha sana. Kwa kweli katika kule kushirikiana na wale wafadhili wetu, tumeweza kuwapatia wanawake, magereza ya wanawake vitanda, magodoro ya kutosha pia na mablanketi. Lakini kidogo hivi tumewaachilia hao wanaume. Na kama vile chairperson alisema hapo awali, we are all children of the same God. Sivyo? Sisi wanawake na wanaume, sisi sote ni watoto wa Mungu. Na sisi wote tunastahili kuwa tunaishi kwa kistaarabu. I wish to also extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Board of Management, the principal, the teachers, the parents, the students, and the entire Kahaga Senior School fraternity for demonstrating that education extends beyond the classroom into corporate social responsibility. Na ninatumaini kuwa mashule mengine, shule zingine pia zitakuwa motivated kufanya vile mmefanya, sio? All the boys schools, all the other girls schools pia now waje, we all put our hands on deck as one and adopt the one government approach pia now watusaidie to make sure that we restore dignity in the often forgotten sectors of society. And correctional facilities are some of the places which tend to be forgotten.
And maybe someone is wondering, when the school has given the beds, what are the girls using? Now, the wooden beds are no longer allowed by the Ministry of Education. Kahaga Girls is a 1932 school, and so those days we used to have, the beds have been there. But in the recent past, when we have had the recent fires in schools, it was a directive that we don't use the double deckers. And I was able to share this with the board. We had a discussion about what to do. We said we may dispose, we may sell, or even we may also reuse. And we left it at that. But later, the chair of the board said, Mwalimu, see what you can do. Then later she calls and says, I've thought about this again. And I honestly want to say the idea about the prison and the donation is all because of our chairperson of the board. Let us appreciate her. She went, thought over it, we left it. She thought over it again and said, I found something that we can do. Let us donate. Let us give. And whom are we giving? She mentions Meru prisons, where we've been having a partnership. And so I want to say, Even the earlier partnership we've had has really bore fruits. And we are here today to give the beds because we do not require them now. For now, we don't require.